Hello everyone and welcome back to Arctic Retro Computer Channel. It's the 11th of December today here, and I have found my two little helpers, the Santas, that these were actually made by my mother some years ago. So I was thinking about the last December. I had a Christmas or Advent calendar, the Commodore Advent Calendar, and yeah, that was quite fun to make. It was one shorter video every day for 24 days. However, this year I wasn't able to do it. It was very time consuming, and yeah, I have a lot to do both privately and also in my daytime job this time of year, so it was simply not possible. But I just thought about making this small video to yeah, give you the opportunity to take a look at those videos once more this December. I'm perhaps a little late, but yeah, I think it was around 7 hours of Commodore videos last December, and you can take a look at those. I'll put a link to the playlist for the Advent Calendar in the description below the video, so check it out. I was also thinking about maybe running all those videos in a single video and running them live for a while. That way we might be able to communicate and have a chat running on that live video, and even though it's not real live, I would be able to comment or yeah, answer any questions in the chat. That would be fun. I'm not really sure if you would like that or not, so if you would, then just give me a little comment below the video. Right now I am starting a new video, this Atari XE system computer. I am making a small series of 3 Atari 8-bit computer videos, and yeah, the first one is due next week, so hope you're ready for some Atari computer 8-bit goodness then. Alright, that was it for this video. I'm hoping you are having good December time, and wish you a very nice Christmas time whenever that comes and wherever you are. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Hello everyone and welcome back to Arctic Retro. And in today's door in the Advent Calendar, I'm gonna be